Excuse the noise next door. We've got builders fitting a new roof. People are always improving their homes, and these homeowners are no exception. Now with here, they were looking to really keep the charm and the sight lines, the thickness of the original timber windows, and they felt, and I had to agree, that PVC was a slightly thicker profile perhaps than they'd wanted. So here we've used an aluminium window. It's given us a thinner sash and also a thinner frame on this large bay window, and overall the framework is actually quite comparable with the timber that was removed. And then to add extra feature, we've kept to the original thickness of the lead work that was used. We've darkened the lead so it's blackened on day one, and we've even soldered the joints for a really nice effect. Works well.